2020 was the year of growth for me in more ways than one, and in this video I want to talk about it in a lot of detail, so keep watching. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe here to my channel and then click on the bell notifications so you're notified every single time I post another video. Right now, I am doing my last little hoorah with my braids before I take them out, and I am not using this spout like normal. I am just taking a little bit of the oil and then I am using that oil to go along all of these partings. I'm not putting oil on every last part. Now, I will say that these braids were in too long, and this top knot bun is something that I did way too much, and yeah, that is what happens. You have certain forms of breakage and it's not a big deal. It's hair, it grows back, but this is my scalp after the braids came out. If you are treating your hair properly, your scalp should not be nasty and dirty after braids. This part here, as you guys know, this point of the month is my skin cell turnover cycle, when all of the skin cells on my scalp are beginning to die off and make room for new skin cells. If you are confused about that at all, make sure you check the links in the description box below, where I have videos that go really deep into detail about skin cell turnover. Also, if you would like to track your own skin cell turnover cycle, then make sure you subscribe to my website with the link below and join my hair growth group, so that way you will get your free PDF and the checklist so you can keep up to date with your hair journey. So at this point, my hair has already been washed and deep conditioned. Well, the deep conditioner is on there right now. This is conditioner on there. I blow dry my hair every week when it is not in braids, and as you can see, I do not have heat damage. If you use tools properly in combination with the right products for your porosity, then you will completely avoid heat damage. Okay, so I have no heat damage, but your girl does have a little bit of mechanical damage from having these braids in for too long. Leave me some comments below if you want me to go into detail about mechanical damage, you know, where I'm sitting down talking to you. And if you do, then you know I will. This is the thing, it's not a big deal. It's hair and it grows back. Okay, so I am going to trim the hair that is broken off a little bit in the back. Keep up with my hair growth journey, because if you keep up with my hair growth journey, you will see why I have those couple of spots in my head. I have hidradenitis suppurativa, and sometimes I get outbreaks within my scalp as well as under my arms, places where sweat glands lie. So if you want to know more about that, click the link in the description box below, where I talk a lot about hidradenitis suppurativa. These flat irons are on 400, and the products that I am using are by Design Essentials. My brain just had a poop. Okay, but I'm going to leave all of the products that I use in the description box below. So now you can see the part that I'm talking about. This is the part in the back where there is a little breakage because of the way that I will wear the braids on a regular basis, even when I tied the braids up at night. So that's my fault. I don't know where I went in the frame. Okay, so my bad. I'm not doing this video over pop the top and let the sunshine in when I was just gone. So now I am just going to go through and flat iron my hair, and I will come back when we finish.
You do to me. farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
Once again, if you're confused in any way, shape, or form about length or anything on the size, then make sure you check the links in the description box below. When I have outbreaks from hydrogenated suppurativa, they either come under my arms or, like I said, around my temples, and they switch from the right to the left side. They've never came on at the same time on the right side and the left side together. Thank the Lord, because that would probably be very annoying. Okay, so throughout my journey, yes, my hair could be a lot longer than it is right now, but I had to go back whenever I had my outbreaks and cut my hair in the back to even out. I don't know if y'all, well, if you go back and look at my other videos, you could imagine how uneven my hair would be if I was not taking that hair off in the back because of the breakage that I was getting from the outbreak in my scalp that I had from my HS. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going through and straightening my hair. I do want to mention something else. It does seem like in video that there's a thin spot at the top, but I have a cowlick in the middle of my head because I've always worn my, well, not always, but probably for like the last 13 years I've wore my hair in a short pixie cut, and I always mold it in a circle, so that spot at the top has a cowlick. But anywho, you see this spot back here. Listen, when there is breakage, I cut it off, but I was not able to do it in this video because my mother had to come do it. I don't try to be top stylist of America in my own head, but wherever you see a line of demarcation, just know that your girl got rid of it. Things happen, but what I will say is over manipulation of my hair at this length makes me have to continuously trim my hair at the bottom. So what I have decided to do is wear my hair straight the majority of the time, and then keep up with my trims until I get my hair at a length that is easier for me to manage. Now, I'm not saying that this is what everyone has to do. This is something that works for me. I am with anything. If y'all want to do wash and goes and stuff, that's fine, but make sure that you are doing a wash and go properly. By doing a wash and go properly, you are styling your hair, doing whatever you're doing, and sitting under a dryer until your hair dries 100%, and then walking out of the door. For me, straightening my hair, I have to make sure that I'm blow drying my hair a certain way. I have to make sure that I'm trimming my hair a certain way and all of that jazz. So that is what I plan to do. Keeping my hair straight is easiest for me to manage on a regular basis at this point, with me having not just from HS, just in general. So this is where we are now. This is later on in the day, the next day. And at this point, my mom is now going to trim my hair because I was just so busy throughout the day and I didn't have time. But wherever you see that line of demarcation, as we're speaking right now, it is gone. And by the time I do another video, it'll probably have caught up already. So yeah, you guys, if you haven't done so already, get a trim, girl. Yes, girl, I'm about to trim mine. Okay.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the